Alright guys, to get started we have a nice salmon fillet here. Now this one is skinless, okay? I have other recipe where the skin is included, but this one is skinless. Now I am going to add about 1 tablespoon for both sides, 1 tablespoon of olive oil on there, and rub that in really nicely. Then I'll be adding in some seasoned salt. Now the measurement will be down below. Check that out. If you want to see the measurement, it will be in the description box. Once I am done with my seasoned salt, I'll be adding in some garlic powder. Now you can add whatever seasoning you like. You don't have to use the same seasoning I use. It's just what I like to use. Now you can use whatever you want to use. Next I'll be adding some fresh ground black pepper, and also I lost that clip. I added a little bit of sazon seasoning on there as well. Now for the other side, I'm basically going to do the same thing, season it the same way. Add my olive oil, a little bit of the seasoned salt, and garlic powder, and as well as some ground black pepper with the sazon. Now make sure you rub your seasoning all over, because you don't want it just to sit there. You want it to melt into the salmon. So make sure you rub it all over. Now in this cast iron, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that is nice and sizzling hot, I am going to place my salmon on there. Now we're going to cook the salmon 1 minute per side, and then we'll flip it over and cook the other side, okay? We're going to finish cooking it in the oven, so don't worry. Okay? Once my 1 minute is up, just flip it over. Look at that. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just flip it over just like that. And then we're going to place it into the oven on a 350 degrees oven. We're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes only. Once it is done, this is what you have. A beautiful, nice looking salmon. Now time for my ginger butter. I am using 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'll be adding some fresh minced ginger, I almost say garlic, minced ginger in there, and give that a quick mix. Make sure it's well combined, and make sure your butter is nice and softened, okay? Make sure it's nice and softened. Give it a quick mix. Then we're going to plate our salmon. Now you know the salmon is really hot. Once you place your butter on there, it will melt right away. So I didn't get a quick look on how it looks when I added the butter, because it just melts right away. You can see it's melting already. But this salmon right here was so flaky and so buttery. Just it was absolutely delicious, I can say that. And of course I added some chives on there just to make it look pretty. And this is what it looks like, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me, please. Let's get this video to 400 likes, okay guys, so I can bring more recipe. Please help me out. Give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe, and also hit the bell. If you subscribe, you haven't hit the bell, please do so right now, so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload a brand new video. Stay tuned for another recipe, and of course I have to cut it and show you guys what it looks like. It's so flaky, it's well cooked, and it's so buttery. The ginger gives you a nice kick. It wasn't strong. I thought it was gonna be super strong. It wasn't strong, okay? It wasn't like a gingery-ish. It was just the perfect amount of ginger. This is it. Hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. What do you want to see next on my next video? And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Yum.